What's up, guys? Welcome back to another muscle car walk around here at Coyote Classics. Today, Chad and I are going to be walking around and checking out this 1967 Mustang Coupe. Car's been repainted in a beautiful pearl white with ivy glow interior, factory ivy glow interior color, all been redone. Just a nice car and one of the best years for Mustang Coupe.
Yeah, 67, 68 are definitely the highest priced coupes out there on the market. And we don't get many 67 and 8s. We get a lot of 65s and 6s in, and so this is one of the only 67 we have on our inventory right now. It's riding on a brand new set of Shelby style rims, new BFG raised white letter tires. We pulled these tires and wheels off of another restored car, changed them for that period, and we kept them here and put them on this one. So great color combination as far as the pearl white on here. You really got to see the car in person to see all the pearl in this white. It looks fantastic. It's got a few little chips, guys, right along the edge here, along the edge of the hood. I'm guessing the car was repainted probably 3 years ago or so.
Under the hood, freshly rebuilt 351.
351 Windsor, guys. So, I mean, it's got tons of power, aluminum radiators, brand new, and it has power steering. Can you check on the, what it's got for disc, front and rear, or what? As far as, we got a 4-barrel carburetor on there, guys, brand new air cleaner, all new plug wires, cap, distributor, completely rebuilt, 351, new cam, just fantastic one.
Front drum.
Front drum, sorry. So we have drums all the way around. We got a brand new Napa Legendary battery in there with the correct hold down. But the biggest thing with this car is not that the paint's awesome, the interior's new, or the motor's fresh. This is a rust-free car underneath. So we power washed it. It's original red oxy primer underneath. It looks fantastic. We did go ahead and get all the turn signals in the hood, the deluxe hood fixed. We have some scratches and stuff in the bottom of the hood. Not show quality as far as the paint on the bottom of the hood, but the rest of the car is just really nice. It does have hood pins in it. Dalton's gonna go ahead and put those in. That's what I'm talking about with the deluxe hood, guys. They actually have the turning signal indicators right there on the hood. The windshield looks like it's in great shape. Over the top of the roof is perfect. There's no dents or dings there.
Go on back, I'll rev it up and then we'll start it off.
That'd be awesome. Let's see what this dual exhaust sounds like. Sounds nice, guys. We have some condensation in there just because the motor is all rebuilt and the exhaust has been sitting empty for so long. So there we go. Sounds really good.
And that 351's got a lot of power for this.
It does. I'm excited to drive it. We'll start at the back as long as we're back here. With that condensation, like I said, we had just a little bit of condensation. It's left a little water on the back valance.
Got nervous.
What?
I said it got nervous.
The car got nervous? All right. As far as we look up and down the side, on the passenger side, super straight, guys. Again, the tires are excellent. Brand new dual exhaust. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the floors. We can definitely paint them. You know, we can, if that's what a guy wants us to do. But you don't see them with the original red oxy floor pans very often. Nowhere on this car did I ever see where it's had like a blend or anything. I mean, this pearl lines up perfectly all throughout the car.
Like I said, you'd tell if it had a blend, especially with all the metallic that's in it.
Yeah, it's hard. It'd be really hard to blend it.
Too.
Yeah, there is a piece of chrome here, guys, that the restorer chose, I guess, not to put on. It's got the little holes for the clips yet. Very inexpensive piece. You can do it if you want. Back bumper looks to be kind of original. Jason polished up the chrome really nice, but it's got a few little scratches, little micro scratches and stuff in it. Same thing with the tail light lenses. Are in excellent shape, but the chrome around them have just a few little pits, but not enough to really replace them. Inside the trunk's got the correct mat. Back glass looks really clean, couple light scratches, but all in all really good. It's got Pioneer 6x9s in the back. As we talked about, the roof is excellent. The rear sails right here, where a lot of times you'll have a little crack or issue, there's nothing there at all. Behind the rear quarter is perfect. Over the wheel well is excellent. It's got new wheel well trim on it. Rocker molding looks brand new as well. Tiny little paint chip here, very, very small. Other than that, the rest of that paint looks great. The dogleg area here is excellent. Check out how that bottom of that door fits nice and flush with the bottom of the quarter. Whoever gets this car is really going to like it. I mean, if this had black or red interior, guys, this car is over 30,000 bucks. I'm just being honest.
Yeah,
we priced it very, very reasonable just because I suppose the interior, but I kind of like it.
I did too, and I was surprised I had Lila here, my girlfriend, and she, I mean, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but she absolutely loved it.
It looks fine.
So it's just all preference, but
yeah, exactly. But I'm just telling you, it's probably a $3,000 or $4,000 difference. If this had a red interior in it, I'd guess it'd be over 30 grand.
Cost to change color of his interior, not that much.
Yeah, not very much. Bottom corner of the door is rust-free, just like the floors. Inside the door panel area, that two-tone green, all the paint is beautiful there. Carpet's new, seat covers are all new. The dash assembly has all been repainted. That looks nice as well. It's got a CD player in there. Aftermarket gauges down below with the tachometer, and that all works. As we get to the headliner, it's got the original headliner in it yet. No wrinkles, that's a plus, but it does have a few little holes that have been kind of touched up. So I guess it's your choice if you want to put a new one in and maybe have quite a few wrinkles or a couple little patches in there. Again, seat covers are all new. Timmy did a great job on that. Back door panels and all the metal pieces have all been repainted as well. So seat belts for two in the back. It's got the retractables in the front. Dash pad is good, and we also put the new bezels in, guys. We always do that when we take the dash apart. We put the new lenses and bezels, chrome bezels, all the way across. Both doors shut good. Doll, if you want to roll up those windows. There is a paint chip, guys, right here on the cowl that's been touched up. Other than that, the gaps are really pretty decent. On the front of this one, it's quite a bit wider than on the very back. Driver's side gap is really decent here from front to back. So there could be just a little adjustment. That back hood could be tweaked over a little bit, which would give you a little more room here as well. Front bumper, chrome's all polished good, looks nice. Horse and corral looks good. Front valance all looks nice as well. Talked about a few little chips here at the front of the video. Tires and wheels are new. Emblems look good. They are the original emblems. You can see the black and the 289 is coming out just a little bit there. It's faded out. Really, I thought there was kind of more chips and stuff on this car, Dalton, than I'm seeing. I'm not really seeing crap on it for imperfections.
It's really not.
Paint's way better than I thought it was. I haven't really seen, it's been so cloudy, we haven't really seen it out in the sun. It's a gorgeous car.
Yeah, it is. It is, especially when you see that, like you said, it's been cloudy. You haven't seen the metallic really that well, but it's
so
sharp.
Besides those couple of chips I talked about up front, that's it. I mean, the bottom of the quarters are excellent. Both doors fit into that dogleg quarter, awesome. Rockers are nice. Bottom of the doors, fenders. Both doors open and close good. Here's your corner of the door, rust-free. Yeah, guys, call on this one. I mean, if it drives half as good as it looks, it's going to sell fast. We got it priced at $26,995. So fantastic car. It's a 67. New door panels, new interior, new paint, new exhaust, new motor, new tires, new rims. Everything's new but the freaking headliner.
Yeah. Setting a rust-free car underneath too.
Yeah. So don't let yourself get caught up on that interior color, because once you see it, you might like the damn thing.
Especially the dash.
Yeah, looks great.
Horn works.
Dome light is not working. Yep, yes it does. Take that back. Oh, dome light's working with it.
Good. I'm trying to find the station here.
Heater fan works. Tachometer works.
See that down there? So.
There's oil pressure right now at a cold start, and idle and about 800s at 50. Temperatures, actually, it's already been running for a while, so our temperature is about 150, 160. We still got 50 pounds of oil pressure over here.
No, speakers are hooked up, but here's static. I gotta try to figure out the radio. I'm sure it's not finding a station, but
maybe the
it's got an antenna.
Maybe the antenna's not hooked up to it. Other than that, guys, gas gauge. Everything works. 36,258. I'm guessing probably 136 with the rust-free car.
Should It's nice.
Yeah. Here, this is nice too. We put all new bushings in this. So that's all nice and tight. And we also put a new power steering hose on it. And that's also nice. It's got power steering. A lot of these Mustangs just don't have it. Which it's alright without, but
Holy smokes.
yeah. It's a brand new motor, guys, so we're just going to kind of take it easy on it. But it's got plenty of power. That 351 Windsor in here really adds the horsepower up. Here at the stop sign, really has a decent idle. We're idling down here about 600 RPM, so. One other thing, the brake light's on. It's been on since I got the damn thing. We went through and did the brakes, and the brakes work excellent. The kick down on the transmission works as well. Speedometer seems to work. I'm gonna go ahead and roll my window up now.
Might be a little fast, maybe. No, maybe not.
It says 60, and I think that's probably what we're doing.
Probably close, yeah.
The steering wheel is off just a little bit, as far as could be rotated just a little bit there. I mentioned it before, I just wanted to double check them. The turn signals are working out on the hood.
They are.
Gas gauge works. Every single thing works, guys, except for the antenna.
I think it does. I just didn't find a station.
Should find one by now. Anyway, great paint, like I said, nice car. But even better yet, it drives good. We're not hearing goofy noises from the rear end. It's not a loud howl at all at 70 mile an hour. No vibrations to speak of in the steering wheel, no hands on the wheel.
Guys, check this one out, coyoteclassics.com. Like Chad says, price to sell. Beautiful 67 coupe.